Breaking news. A national emergency is intensifying at the U.S. southern border. More than 10,000 migrants are attempting to cross into America every single day, overwhelming border security and humanitarian shelters. Officials warn the situation is reaching a breaking point as resources collapse and enforcement struggle to maintain control. Tensions are rising, patrol teams are stretched beyond capacity, and major cities are preparing for impact. For the full report and real-time updates, subscribe to Newsverse America.